Hello, hello, my dear health seeker. Inga from Health Origins here, and today I've got an exciting recipe from the new series I'll be doing on this channel, is herbs and spices blends. So today, as we're making some burgers from kidney beans, my husband says, oh, we need some kind of seasoning. So we looked and found a really nice collection of spice and herbs blends, and I'm going to be making them for you in this series. So this episode, it's taco seasoning. So let's begin. So just to let you know that the spices and herbs blends that I'm doing, they are from Women's Magazine, so some article that Mark found, and we're gonna be making taco seasoning, as I said. So we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and because we are not massive spice lovers, we're gonna do just 1 tablespoon of chipotle chili powder. It's like a smoky chili powder, but that's kind of the one that we've got at the minute, so I'm gonna use that. So that's 1 tablespoon, but like I said, the recipe says 2 tablespoons. If you can handle spice, then you can put 2 tablespoons. Then we've got 2 tablespoons of cumin, and we've just freshly made this cumin. All you need is to slightly toast your cumin seeds on a dry frying pan, maybe a couple of minutes. You don't want to, overdo it, because it's very easy to burn it, and then you just blend it. So I've just blitzed it in my spice grinder, and it's really nice and fragrant. Then we've got 1.5 teaspoon of onion powder, and I'm gonna put all the ingredients and ratios for you underneath this video in the description too. Then 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder as well, so about 1.5 teaspoons there. Then we've got 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So here I've got just small chili blended, so I'm going to add that, but I need a new spoon. We are very sensitive to spice, so I'm putting a little bit less than even that. And then 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Optional. If you like pepper, then add that. We're not going to be adding pepper in this occasion, then, because it's going to be spicy already. Then 1/2 teaspoon of salt, so I'm adding some Himalayan salt. And then it says 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. However, if you don't have oregano, which we don't in this instance, you can replace it either by putting some basil in or thyme. So I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of basil in instead. So these are kind of the 2 replacements for oregano. And that is it. Then put a lid on. I recommend adding to like a small glass container. Put a lid on, shake it up, and you've got yourself a oh oh my goodness, this is, oh my goodness, this was spicy, just goes into the nose, really fragrant. So there it is, the spice blend. It really smells delicious, like really kind of smoky. I guess the chipotle chili powder also adds to the smokiness of it. And when I first smelt it, when I've just kind of shaken it up, the chili, I think, just got into my nose. Really nice. So there you go, taco seasoning, first of the spice and herb blends. So let me know if you like this series. What other seasonings would you like to see me make? And don't forget, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in your body. And if you're new here, subscribe for more videos like this. we'll be doing different series. So this is a spice blend series. You know, we'll be doing some other interesting series in the future too. So hit that bell button so you're notified of new videos that release every Wednesday. And then I've got a cook along show every Sunday too at 7 o'clock UK time. So until the next time, guys, see ya.